Let's be real. The old 9-to-5 office is pretty much a thing of the past, right? We're all working from home, from cafes, pretty much anywhere with a Wi-Fi signal. But all this amazing freedom brings up a huge question, one that every single business leader needs to be asking themselves right now. Now really, just take a second and think about it. Your client lists, your financial projections, all those top-secret strategy docs, where are they physically at this exact moment? Are they tucked away safely on a server in your office? Or are they somewhere else entirely? The simple and maybe a little bit unnerving answer is, they're everywhere. With remote work and everyone using their own phones and laptops, bring your own device. Your company's most vital information is no longer locked down inside the office. It's out there in the wild. I mean, think about it. Your data is on a laptop at a busy coffee shop. It's on an employee's phone during that crowded morning commute. It's on a tablet in someone's living room. Every single one of these devices is a potential weak spot, an entry point that's completely outside the safety of your office network. All of a sudden, that secure perimeter you used to have, it's just gone. How in the world do you protect what you can't even see?
So let's dive into the critical question. In a world like that, how in the world do you secure all of it? Just think about it for a second. With every single new device your team uses, your company's most sensitive data spreads out to a new location, creating another potential weak spot. And this question, this isn't just some hypothetical thing to think about. It is the central challenge that every modern business is facing right now. So, what's the answer? Well, it's a technology called mobile device management, or MDM for short. Honestly, the best way to picture it is like an air traffic control tower for your entire fleet of devices. From one single dashboard, you can guide, manage, and protect every single asset that connects to your business. It's your digital command center. This analogy of a digital security guard is perfect, right? Because it just clicks. It gets right to the heart of what MDM really does. I mean, you have a guard for your physical office, don't you? Well, this is the digital equivalent of that. But instead of just protecting one building, this guard is on the job 24/7, protecting every single device, no matter where it is in the world. Okay, so let's really dig into this idea of the everywhere office. What does that actually mean for your security? It means your team is logging in from home, from coffee shops, from airports. This completely shatters the old idea of a secure perimeter. Your company's border isn't four walls anymore, it's hundreds, maybe even thousands of mobile endpoints. And that is exactly where our digital guard steps in. See, when you put an MDM solution in place, you're not just buying a piece of software. You're basically hiring that vigilant, always-on protector we've been talking about. It's really the only way you can scale to watch over every single one of those remote offices all at the same time. All right, so this digital guard idea sounds great, but what does it actually do? What's in its toolkit? Well, its power really boils down to three core duties that provide tangible, real-world protection for your business. The real magic of this digital guard is in these three jobs. First, it enforces the rules. It automatically makes sure every device has a strong password and a short screen lock time. No more easy ways in for bad actors. Second, it controls the apps. This gives you the power to create a safe list of approved software that can actually touch company data. And third, and this one is a biggie, it neutralizes threats. So if an employee's laptop gets stolen from their car, boom, you can instantly lock it or even wipe the corporate data, turning a potential catastrophe into just a minor headache. Okay, I know what you're probably thinking right now. As soon as we start talking about managing people's devices, the big elephant in the room is, what about privacy? And that is a hugely important question, so let's get crystal clear on how modern MDM is built from the ground up to respect personal privacy. The secret sauce here is this really clever bit of tech that creates what's called a container on the device. Just think of it like a secure, encrypted digital bubble that lives right on the phone or laptop. This bubble builds a totally separate, fenced-off area that is only for work stuff. It's basically like having a secure company phone that just happens to exist as an app on your personal device. And this right here, this lays it out perfectly. A really clear line is drawn in the sand. So on the left, inside that bubble, MDM sees and protects your company email, your work apps, your corporate documents. But now, look at the column on the right. Your personal photos, your private texts to your family, your web browsing history, All of that stays completely separate and 100% private. The MDM can't see it, can't access it, can't touch it, period. End of story. Okay, so as we start to land the plane here, let's boil everything we've talked about down to the 3 biggest takeaways for your business as you try to navigate this new mobile-first world of work. First things first, MDM is absolutely essential. It's not a nice to have anymore, it's a fundamental piece of any modern security strategy. Second, it is ridiculously powerful. It gives you the ability to shut down a threat from literally anywhere in the world, instantly. And third, and this is so important, it's respectful. You get that top-tier security without having to sacrifice the trust and privacy of your team. So, I'll leave you with this one question to really think about. As your business grows, and it will, your data is only going to spread to more devices in more places. Is the security strategy you have today truly ready to scale for the business you're trying to build for tomorrow? Action for your business. Because, look, just understanding the concept is a great first step. But the world of IT security, it's always changing. Staying on top of this stuff isn't a one-time thing you can just check off a list. It really is an ongoing commitment to protecting this business you're pouring everything into. So here are 3 really simple, practical steps you can take. First, subscribe. That way you're always getting practical, up-to-date security insights. Second, check out our website. Think of it like a library full of resources to help you learn more. And third, just stay connected with us. That way you won't miss out on future explainers covering all the tools that can help your business grow and stay secure.